We'll guide you through how to navigate ClickUp updates efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open ClickUp on your desktop and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, go to the top right corner, click on your profile icon, and click on the Help icon, which resembles a question mark. In the Help section, you can find the What's New option. Clicking this will open a panel showcasing the latest features and improvements ClickUp has rolled out. It's a great way to stay informed about any changes that might affect your workflow. Now, if you're interested in exploring new features in depth, you can click on any update within the What's New section, which will provide detailed explanations and sometimes even tutorials. This is especially useful for understanding how to integrate new tools into your current projects. Additionally, for a more tailored experience, you can customize your notifications by going to your profile settings. Click on your profile picture at the bottom left corner, then select Settings. From here, navigate to the Notifications tab, where you can manage how and when you receive updates, ensuring you only get alerts that are most relevant to your tasks. This customization can significantly improve your productivity by minimizing distractions. Don't forget, staying updated with ClickUp's new features can make your workflow smoother and more efficient, so make sure to check these updates regularly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.